Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am working with the Pot of Gold Cute Cut Craft Erin Condren Vertical full boxes, and like I do every week, I plan ahead when I'm placing my order, and I put a sticky note on each of the weeks as to which kit I plan on using that week, and then I know when I've ordered it, and I also know when I share with you what the name of the set was called. This is Cute Cut Craft, and I can show you actually. Here is my latest order. I wanted to show you this gorgeous envelope that now the stickers come in, and I was so pleasantly surprised to see these cute butterflies and everything in my mailbox. Now, she sent a special little gift for me as well. I am on her PR team, and she made me some little Tony stickers, and she sent me this beautiful coffee cup clip, and I thank Megan for that. She's very sweet and thoughtful to have sent that to me. I can also share with you, so when you get the things, they come in a plastic sleeve, and they also have a cardstock to protect them from getting bent. But I can show you some of the stickers that I plan on working with in the future. So this is one of the ones that I ordered just specifically to denote birthdays as they pop up. I love tulips. They're probably my favorite flower, and they will go well with the green theme of March. This is a full kit here, and you can see these gorgeous colors. This is probably my favorite, which is why I have the full kit for this one, and it is available in her shop. I can leave a coupon code for you also in the description box below so that you can take advantage of 15% off, and you will receive a special sampler for under my name for using my code as well. So when we move into next month, we're going to be seeing a lot of purple in April. So I actually bought this one. My daughter loves the galaxy theme, and her birthday will be in that month. So I'm thinking that we will use the galaxy theme for her birthday week. This is just a fun sunflower one that I bought kind of as an extra to supplement some other kits just in case I need it. And again, I bought some birthday ones just to be able to note specific birthdays. And this is another fun one I just really liked the design of, and it's actually an Easter full box set, but I bought it just because it really appealed to me. I loved all the pastel-y pinks. Another one that I really like the colors of is this gorgeous blue and yellow full box set. I ordered in these little cute Charlie mail ones because I do a lot of happy mail. Amethysts are quite plentiful where I live, and I thought this would be another good one for April given all of the purple, and it's just very vibrant and appropriate for the localness of our area. Okay, so first, as usual, what I've done is I've gone ahead and put my journaling in the side and the bottom boxes. I used my Erin Condren pen. This came in my seasonal subscription for winter. I did not buy the spring Erin Condren seasonal surprise box this year, but I really loved this pen. It feels sort of weird because of the glitter on here. It's actually like a hard, coarse sort of feel to the pen, but it writes really nice. So that was the pen that I've used. I've been looking for a good pen that was black that would be great for my planner, and here I had one. It was gifted to me as a Christmas gift, so I didn't even unbox it in an unboxing video. So now I'm going to get my layout in order, and it should be pretty simple. I have lots of pictures, and what I usually do is 3 on this page, 4 on this page, and it gives me exactly enough boxes with 8 empty spaces, including one on the sidebar. And all it takes for me is one full box sticker sheet to do an entire layout for the week. So my best friend was in town with her daughter, and we have girls the same age. We have been friends like our entire lives. We have known each other since we were 4 years old, and it is amazing that we have girls that are exactly the same age. We do not live in the same city, so she was in town visiting, and I thought it would be nice to be able to go out with the girls together. We went to a pottery studio. It's called DIY Studio in Thunder Bay, and we wanted to go early in the week from when she got here because she is leaving actually on Sunday, and we wanted to make sure that it would have time to go through the kiln and be ready to go. So I'm just going to get together with this. We didn't actually do anything specific for St. Patrick's Day, so there's not any. I should really just take a full box of these and just go straight across here. There's not any specific like St. Patrick's Day themed pictures. Everything has really been centered around the coronavirus this week. It's been very stressful, all of the uncertainty and the unease, not knowing what's going on. I am happy that a lot of things have closed down. So any of the normal sort of pubs and festivities that might go on for St. Patrick's Day were just really not even a consideration, and rightfully so. So I was glad about that, that everything has closed down here as far as restaurants. I am still going to work because I work for the municipality, and we are keeping the city going as usual. One of the days, it's interesting here, you'll see a picture of me out in the snow. That was the first day of spring. It absolutely was a blizzard, and it actually was extremely pretty and a very nice walk. I had to snap a picture. I was out doing what are called our country routes. They're out in our sort of rural areas of the city where there are just beautiful trees, and they were all snow covered, and it was so pretty. This picture that I'm putting in here was a pretty funny story. I guess I had a blanket on me, and I got up. Turner was laying sort of beside me, and the blanket, I guess, fell on him when I got up and went away. Well, he went into his kennel, and then he had the blanket was like on his back, so it just followed him in there, and it looked like somebody kind of tucked him into his kennel. So I thought that was pretty cute, and I took a picture. We've been going for walks every day. So I walk a lot for work, but we're making sure that the kids are getting out. This is a snowman that our neighbor created that says, stay safe, Thunder Bay. And that was a really sort of cute way of, connecting with your neighbors and sending a positive message. We had to go up on the snowbank and take a picture of the snowman. I really had wished that I had more time on the Thursday that the snow actually came, because it was the perfect snowman weather snow. It was great, but by come Friday, it was everything had really hardened up, and you couldn't make snowmen anymore. And I actually took the day off on Friday just because everything was so stressful. The kids had been off for March break, and they were getting really kind of bored at home, so I took the day off and I did kind of some hidden homeschooling. We played Scrabble with my youngest one and got her spelling words and doing the math of adding up all of the different words that she did. So we thought that was a good way to sort of have her educated. She also is taking violin, so that's been a thing that's been great. We've been able to keep up with that, and we've enjoyed just listening to her and my husband play violin together. It's I'm gonna use, well, actually put this one here. I don't have any room left on the Tuesday itself, which was St. Patrick's Day. And I don't have any room for this picture, but I have a plan actually. So my dad's birthday was on the Wednesday, and we, as a gift to him, decided not to get together to celebrate his birthday because of everything that's going on, and his age category is particularly vulnerable. We decided that we would not get together and celebrate. We're going to do a celebration of all the birthdays that transpire during this, I'm going to put this St. Patrick's Day here because I don't really have room in this here. Yeah, because we're really limiting how much we get together. This was the last time that I really did any kind of socialization with my friend that came in from out of town on the Monday. And from here on out, we are just staying put. My husband is able to work from home, which is fantastic. And he'll be doing that for the week. And let's see. So let's move forward here, and I'll show you how I do the birthdays. Here we go. Birthdays, March. So this was really sweet, and I actually want to make a note of it. So let's find a birthday sticker. So because we didn't get together, I didn't have any specific birthday pictures, but one thing that was really very sweet is that all of our family from out of town that are on the East Coast, they were posting pictures to social media of my dad, and they were sharing, you know, birthday messages. Well, he's not on social media, so what I did was I screenshotted all of the different posts that were on Instagram and Facebook and in stories. And what I did was I sent him the screenshot so that he knew that people were thinking of him. We had a really nice long conversation, but I wanted to note his birthday here. And this is a picture of him with my niece. And I am going to write up the fact that they shared all these beautiful pictures on social media. And this is a little bit crooked. Teeny tiny bit crooked. Did I fix it? These do not come up nice like the other stickers do. Oh, I'm wrecking. No, I gotta keep that on there because I am just wrecking the page on the other side. Okay, yeah, so we had plans for my dad's birthday. And actually, one of the things that we were going to do is go to one of his favorite sort of restaurants. And then we had already kind of decided against that because of everything that was going on. And then in the end, they closed restaurants. We considered having something at home, but we decided to not risk any gatherings and just keep apart as much as possible, which I think is a very good strategy to help protect all of those who are on the front lines and working in our healthcare system, because we really need to not overwhelm our healthcare system. So if anything that we can do to help mitigate that, then we will. Okay, so I'm going to put some details in there, but I'm just showing you how when I have extra pictures, that is one of the things that I do. And also I will mention to you guys, one of my friends that's in town here had asked, how do you do it? She liked my idea and she wanted to know how I created these pictures. And there is one key critical strategy that you guys need to know, and that is when you are using, I use Pick Stitch. I select the 4 boxes, but you have to change the aspect ratio to 4:6, the size of the paper that you're using if you're using a Canon Selfie, which is the printer that I print from home on. And that's what makes it possible for me to do everything this easy. Okay, so I wanted to just come in. I've got some other green stickers here. You can add "You are my happy." I'm gonna do a little like XOXO. Here we go. That's where we can put it there. Just to add in, just to tie in again a bit of that green, because the green that's in here isn't actually really a good match for the green that's in the Erin Condren Colorful book here. I'm just trying to think if we need anything else. This is looking pretty good, actually. Liking how this has come together. This is a fun sticker book from Maggie Holmes, one of my favorite. It would be nice to have some sort of, oh, there's gold. Gold hearts. Oh, this is so sweet. That was so sweet. That's why I took a picture of it. And I could even do like an XO. That's kind of cute. I could come in with a little gold heart as well. Hey Sunshine, which is ironic for this. It actually was a really pretty sort of relaxing day. Just gonna look and see if there's any other fun things. Oh, friend. Let's do that. I really like the paints in the background there, and I don't want to cover that up. Actually, we could XOXO friend right here. I like that. Oh, so cute. See if this color matches. Oop. No, I don't like it that centered. Let's have it off-centered. So cute. There we go. Oh, butterfly. Green butterflies, a little light green. There. Okay, that's cute. Actually, I'm going to add one more element there. I'm going to put one of the gold hearts. This gold heart. And we'll put that gold heart there. Okay, good. So that is everything. I thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.